Question number 7.
How do you feel tonight? Go muna. Go muna. Go muna.
Grabe ha, lukot-lukot kaayo. Question number 7. If you were a guest speaker in an event, how would you introduce yourself? Again, if you're a guest speaker in an event, how would you introduce yourself?
Thank you for that question. If I were to be a guest speaker in an event, I would describe myself as a daughter of Barangay Baligain. Because, ladies and gentlemen, I am standing right in front of you right now. Not just an individual, but a representation of the community that raised me. And I am standing here as a reflection of what a Baligain woman is. And showing my story, not just my story, but the story of my barangay, which is I call home. Thank you so much.
Wow!